everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Actions.
Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn English phrases with actions.
First phrase is, how's it going?
How's it going means, how are you?
It is a casual way to ask someone how they are.
We usually use it with friends, coworkers, or people we know.
It sounds natural and relaxed.
Now, watch the action.
How's it going? Good, you? Hey! Hey, you?
Next phrase is, what's up?
What's up means, what's happening?
It is a casual way to ask someone how they are or what they are doing.
We usually use it with friends or people we know.
It sounds very relaxed and informal.
Now, watch the action.
What's up? Not much, bro.
Next phrase is, long time no see.
Long time no see means, I haven't seen you for a long time.
We use it when we meet someone after a long time.
It is usually said in a happy and friendly way.
You can use it when you see an old friend or coworker.
Now, watch the action.
Long time no see.
Yeah, super long.
Next phrase is, I'm just chilling.
I'm just chilling means, I am relaxing.
We use it when we are doing nothing special.
It means you are calm and taking it easy.
You can say it on the weekend or in your free time.
Now, watch the action.
What's up? I'm just chilling.
Next phrase is, hang out.
Hang out means, spend time together casually.
We use it when we meet friends without big plans.
It usually means relaxing and enjoying time together.
You can say it on weekends or after work.
Now, watch the action.
Want to hang out after work?
Yeah, let's hang out! After this meeting?
Next phrase is, let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road means, let's leave or let's start going.
We use it when we are ready to go somewhere.
It sounds casual and natural.
You can say it before starting a trip or leaving a place.
Now, watch the action.
Let's hit the road. Yes!
Let's go!
Next phrase is, let's hit the hay.
Let's hit the hay means, let's go to bed.
We use it when we are tired and ready to sleep.
It sounds casual and natural.
You can say it at night after a long day.
Now, watch the action.
Let's hit the hay.
Yeah, good idea. Night.
Next phrase is, let's call it a night.
Let's call it a night means, let's stop for today and go to sleep.
We use it when we are done for the day.
It sounds natural and polite.
You can say it after work, studying, or hanging out late.
Now, watch the action.
Let's call it a night.
Yeah, good call. Night.
Next phrase is, call it a day.
Call it a day means, stop working for today.
We use it when we finish our work or activity.
It sounds casual and natural.
You can say it at the end of work or after studying.
Now, watch the action.
Well, let's call it a day.
Yeah, finally! See you tomorrow.
Next phrase is, make the most of.
Make the most of means, use something in the best way possible.
We use it when we want to enjoy or take full advantage of a situation.
It sounds positive and encouraging.
You can say it about time, opportunities, or special moments.
Now, watch the action.
Let's make the most of it. Yeah.
Yeah, one more round.